Myntri Rangbah kejela korat Sangmah nik sngi ulah Hiar hi daladi ban le jurip iki kato kini ki projek ki benang shina haniu Shillong. Ha kini ki jing jurip Myntri Rangbah kejela korat Sangmah ulah le jengo ya ka Secretariat Bathamai ka Unity Mall ka Sport Complex ka badan Sauli bat ki wei ki kampun roy ke badang ya Shakman haniu Shillong. Harangkat ke jengedon lang Chief Secretary u Commissioner and Secretary ketenat penroy sor ki Head Officer Sorkar bat kinong mikmat jung ketenat trekam ki baper jong Sorkar jela. Hagani ke jung jurip Myntri Rangbah kejela ulapan pau bagi projek ki badang pentrai haniu Shillong ki bu ya ke nongrim naga benja kalawei jong kejela Meghalaya. Ulah kedau ba ke jingbei tengka hakini ki kompleks kan nirap ikilat kamai ki kamelekai bat kiwei kilat ki bagi palba nong song kinyo Rangbah jong kani.
So there's a meeting area, there is everything, support staff, and there is a full lounge here, and more staff will sit here. This we make as the cabinet room. So here is the cabinet room with 50 seater. So you can just walk into the cabinet room, and again there is all these waiting areas. So above this also there is one more. Where is that? Above the CMC, we have this space. Initially we thought this is the cabinet room, but this is very big. So this we want to make as the integrated control and command center.
Yeah, feel also if we can have some small conference.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Because you know if all departments keep having their meetings, they should have space. But it will be in the second ring also. There will be a conference room.
Yes. So we can just look at that.
March, but PM is coming to inaugurate.
So this AB will complete by...
Because PM is coming to inaugurate the games. So that's going to be in February.
Also the road section also we have not get the drawings, and some of the blocks are still there pending. The finishing items are there pending with the yet to receive. They are saying that some of the drawings they did not get from the road also they have. No, that they will get, but can you finish by February is what sir is asking. If we get all the drawings, we will put our full effort, but unless we get all the drawings, we cannot commit for it. Because the order, I think, August it will come. Oh, it's already arrived in India.
So, port clearance हो गया.
इसको बस वहाँ पे fit करना.
No, when will we inaugurate this?
Sir, December.
This December.
Yes, sir.
This December.
So that is the full aquatics complex.
Right.
So aquatics, if you see, there are three, sir. So the big one is the main pool. The smaller one is the diving pool, and this side one is the practice pool.
Oh, that where the JCB is the main pool.
Yes,
That's a 50-meter pool. That's the Olympics.
Yeah. So this is tennis, and this is the hostel. See, hostel up.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going. Tura, unfortunately, it's only half this. It's not even half this. Tura. That's the problem. Tura, we are running behind schedule.